Well folks, in this video we're going to be doing another module review. This might be the last one, I don't know, but I think there might be one more. I'm just going to make sure that we haven't done this. Thank you for 58 subscribers. Go and like and subscribe now. So yeah, well, I've got a very exciting thing happening at DigCot. So yeah, look out for that. So yeah, like and subscribe. Anyway, we're going to be reviewing this. A Helljang, if I get the box right way up, a Helljang class 33008 BR green with nameplate called Eastleigh. So I think we should unbox this. So yeah, right then, let's take the first cover off. Nice boxing out from Helljang. And then we got some nice protecting foam, as you can see. Nice and soft. Then we got some information on the class 33 here. You can pause to read any of this. And this you can pause too. And this you can pause too. Anyway, but we've got detail attachments. We've got more detail. This is all like decoder fitting detail. So, and then we got some head codes. I think they are, but I've already put 2 on. That's why there's some missing. We've also got a piece of paper telling me where the radio pods are. I haven't actually put these on because I don't want them on. Obviously got some detail pieces, if it focuses on them. Come on, camera. Got some detail pieces. Move that over to one side. But anyway, without further ado, we've got the logo there. Obviously it's the standard white box, that part is. But anyway, we've got a nice locomotive. It's in its protective wrapper, so we just take that protective wrapper off and put it to one side. Here she is, on my Helljang class 33 with DCC sound, sprung buffers of course, and the nameplate is the main junction near me called Eastleigh. You can kind of see that. So we've got some pretty good detail on the front. So we've got lights that light up here and here and here. We've got nice little snow plows. These actually came off my Bachmann class 37. This took me a long time to find. Same on the other side. This model's got quite a bit of detail, as you can kind of see there. There's quite a bit of detail on this side. It's got some numbering. It's got some nice handrails here. Some stickers. The roof looks pretty simple, but nice. It's a nice medium-sized loco. It's not very big, which I like. But anyway, I think we should get this on the track to give it a test run. So let's do that. Well folks, here it is on the track. If I just get my chair to sit down, and we will start. Now let's move the microphone round a bit. I'm just going to angle you guys up so you can hear some crackling there. Sorry if you hear my chair. Anyway, right, here we go. I think we should do a cold engine startup. Actually, I might sort the lighting out in here. So what I'm going to do, I've got a blind, so I'm going to pull that out and try and take some of the glare off of the front of the loco so you can see it a little bit better. So here we go, cold engine startup. Here we go. Oh, that's loud. Right, let's turn lights on. can see that they're all nicely. Let's do some horn testing. So those are the only 3 horns we have on horn 1. Those are all the horns we have on horn 2, so I think we should get them moving. So yeah, let's do a tone of the horn. Well folks, the class 33 is just on its way round, so just about to come into frame. Here she is. Here she is. About there, stop about there, 33. Well folks, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Well, I really enjoyed using this model. I think it's a very good model, you should get it. I think it needs some more lights. The only problem is with it is there's not much space to fit a sound speaker in this. It's a very small box in there for it. So why don't we watch this locomotive depart?